And now dance track. Let's start with poses. Are you ready? Arms up, down. Double knee, inhale and exhale. One more time. Diagonal, down with the knee, open and close. Okay, step and jump. Very good. Again, open, step, step, jump, and flex your knee. One more time, and watch out. We have to add. Now, cross, and open, stop. Yes, step, jump. Very good. Close, and open. One more time. Now to the side, and front. One more time. Again the side, and watch because we have a bridge. Watch now. Go down, down. Look, touch your torso and hips. And circle. Now add arms. Front, front, circle. And now shoulders. And the arm from the beginning. Up, down, double knee. Yes. At the shoulders. Arm from beginning. Up, down, knee. Again. Front, front, circle. Shoulder. Go up. One more time. This is the last 10. Go up. Mambo back. Cha-cha. Cross. Open. One more time. Back. Cha-cha. Cross. Open. Now we have to move to the lateral. Watch. Move. And now slide. One more time. Chasse. Cross. Slide. Now arms. Very easy. Mambo. Down and up. Very good. Again. Woo. Down. Up. Remember the bridge. Go down with your head. Down. Look. Touch your torso. Hips. Side. Side. Circle. From the top. Step. Jump. Step cross shoulders. Combination up and down. Mambo back. Chasse. Arms down and up. Yes. One more time. Show me your hands. Very good. Shoulder. Up and down. Mambo back. Woo! Yes. Second part again. Mambo back. Watch now. Down and up. Step, tap. And 3 hips. Stop. Mambo back. Yes. Down and up. Step, tap. Step, tap. 3 hips. One more time. Watch now. Step knee. Break it. One more time. Yes. Woo! Step knee. Broke. Remember the bridge. Go down. Yes. From the top. Step. Jump. Shoulders and cross. Combination up and down. Mambo back. Wow. Step broke. And 3 hips. From the top. Step. Jump. Yes. Go up. Second part. Very good. Step broke. 3 hips. From the top. Woo! You got it. Go up. Very good. Down and slide. Are you ready?